Hey guys, here's a quick video to answer a viewer's question. Stay tuned. Hey guys, here's a quick video concerning a scraping tool that I'd made and had used in another video where I changed the Ford Focus injector. Now I'd used this tool to clean the injector seat, and a viewer had asked if I could give him the measurements through and just basically explain how I'd made it. So I turned this on a lathe and I'd started with a stock of round aluminium, which I believe had roughly 30 millimeters in diameter. Now the light's bad here. This has now got almost 27. The shaft is 17 millimeters, which was, I believe, a little bit smaller than the shaft of the injector itself, so that it fitted into the injector well. And the tip, which goes into where the injector nozzle is roughly 6.7, just under 7 millimeters. The length of this shaft is important. If you do it too short, you won't be able to clean the seat properly. And this had a length of 153 roughly millimeters. The small cutouts were basically a 7 millimeter diameter drill, which I drilled it 3 times and then turned it off, leaving the point and only half of the drilled out hole. That then gives me the scraping surfaces and not cutting surfaces. Now, would it be possible to make one on a or without a lathe? I think it would be. If you could get hold of the stock with about 17 or 16 millimeters, or maybe even 15 millimeters, you would be able to drill the holes here for the scrapers. Then in the end, you would be able to drill a hole and insert a piece of 5 millimeter steel or aluminium. That would then give you your nose, and then you would be able to, well, before you put that in, fold this back that it's nice and flat, and maybe you would have a scraper yourself to do your seats. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.